Hi guys! So today we're gonna show you how to go to the new house, like the Goshiwon in Yongsan. And we're gonna take the subway first, the blue line to the station Yeokchang Park. So we're gonna show you everything. We're gonna show you also the house in itself. We're gonna do a house tour of the apartment. And
Yes, so right now we're standing at Hongdae University Station. We're at exit 3 right now, and it's only like a 10-minute walk from the exit to our office, so it's very convenient to walk. So yeah, let's just take the subway now and go. Hi, welcome back. So we arrived at the Hyochang Park Station. We're right now at exit 5, I believe. And we're now going by foot to the house, which is about 9 minutes from here. And we need to go that way now. So
right now.
yes, so let's go walk.
Okay, so now we're going to walk, and we're going to kind of guide you guys to the address of the Goshiwon so that you're not lost, basically. So let's go. We're following.
So we're going that way. And basically we are your Google Maps for today. So. Marine has been here before, so she knows.
By car.
By car?
Let's go. Okay guys, so now we're in the streets of the Goshiwon, and there you can see a police station just in front of the apartment, so that's kind of really safe here. Like, there's the big police station, so if you have a problem, it's okay.
Let's hope you don't have a problem though.
Like 1 minute.
Okay, so we arrived at the house. It is right here, as you can see. And we also wanted to show you the neighborhood around us. So we, for example, literally right next to the building, we have a cafe where you could go have
super cute.
Yeah.
Cafe called Doodle Peach. It looks super cute and it smells very nice.
And then you also have the police station just in front of the Goshiwon. So it's like really big. I think it's one of the biggest one I ever saw. So if you have a problem, it's okay. You will be saved. There's literally the police station just in front of it.
Yeah. And we have the CU.
So you have a CU just in front of the apartment also.
Yeah. So if you're craving a snack at midnight or you need something, you can just go there. Yeah.
And there's also like some restaurants in the street here. There's a Chinese restaurant. The jajangmyeon are really good. And there's like a lot of little restaurants also.
And also one of the most important things is that we have a laundry place, yeah, where you can do your laundry. But there's also plenty of laundry room in the building as well, so this is just an alternative. So as you can see, this neighborhood is surrounded by many cafes and restaurants, so you have plenty of options here where you can go have dinner or lunch or even study. So
another cafe here also.
Passing by another one.
Here you have
here's another one.
There's only restaurants and coffee shop, and like it's really local, so that's great if you want to just like eat Korean food or Chinese food also.
And also if you want to practice your Korean skills as well, since it's gonna be local.
So you have also this one big restaurant. It's like a traditional one, and they made like chicken soup, which is really good. And yeah, it's like a really great restaurant, and it seems kind of big. So I think it's famous in the neighborhood. So yeah.
Okay, so we arrived at our Goshiwon house, and yeah, we took the elevator. It's on the second floor.
And so the elevator is really like useful because when you arrive to the Goshiwon the first day, you can put your luggage here and don't like struggle with them. So that's really useful.
So we can go inside.
Yeah.
Let's look.
So now we're in the entrance of the apartment. Can you see that? So here there's some decorations, some flowers, little painting and everything. So
Everything is completely new.
yeah, it's like fresh. The paint on the wall is literally fresh, and yeah, it's kind of pretty here. And you have like everything. There's a fridge, a microwave, a water machine, so that's like really useful. And then in this side, it's like the left side of the house. So you have all the rooms in here, and you have like a air purifier also. So so here is the room. So they're kind of like each of them are kind of the same actually. It's just like the bed, the table with the TV. There's a window, but not in every room. Like it depends of the side. And there's some like, how do you call that? Throw clothes and things. And yeah, it's really simple but really like clean and new. And we cleaned it like literally last week. You have also a mirror like in every room. Kind of the same thing like for each one of them. And I don't know how many do they have, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But there is 9 rooms here in this side of the apartment.
9 rooms.
And so they're all the same kind of. And there's also like some little fridge for yourself if you want to put like some food in your fridge and not in the general one who's here. And so after you have the right side of the apartment with the bathroom.
Okay, so let's look at the bathroom. I haven't seen it actually. Okay.
This is the first one.
This is the first.
It's like the biggest one.
Yeah. Okay. So it has a mirror, which is nice. Oh, watch out. No, watch out. I thought it might be wet.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah. A mirror is always nice to do our makeup.
Of course, we have the shower here, like in the Korean apartments, and the toilet. And then here you have two other rooms, and this is a real shower.
Another shower.
And it's kind of rare to have this inside because
Right?
not every apartment has that.
Yeah.
1, 2.
And two. So there's a big mirror and the shower here like that.
Ooh.
That's really great.
Okay.
Okay.
And then over here we have some more rooms. We have. I actually walked past by that one. Is this? No, it's not a room.
No,
Study room.
study room is the desk.
This is a study room apparently. So here.
It's the same at the other side. Yes. And you have like here also a mirror for yourself.
Oh,
if you want to make
that.
it.
And you have the thingies to charge your phone.
Oh,
It's a
but
bit higher.
I think there's also another one here. You have another one to charge your phone,
yeah,
like
yeah.
on the desk here.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's great.
Cute.
It's like clean, and the bed also. Like seats.
This room has a fan
Yeah, actually, that's
Nice.
for the summer.
and a window.
There's a window and there's a lot of play if you want for this one.
clothes. Nice.
Yeah. This one has more space for the closet, I think.
Do you think?
Wait. Okay, no, it doesn't work.
Okay.
Look at
Anyways,
that.
we have 1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. In this side, I think there's 6 rooms. Yeah, because there's a desk. So,
Yes. So let's move on to the kitchen.
we also have a little light here. Yeah. So basically, yeah, 6 and 9 rooms on the other side. So there's
15.
there's a lot of rooms.
They'll take you to the kitchen.
Okay.
So now we are at the kitchen. This is our little kitchen.
Yeah.
It has like stoves, electrical, obviously. We also have some pots and pans for you to cook, or rice cooker. Some how do you call this?
A toaster.
Toaster for bread.
Your bread. We also provide you with some rice.
Oh my
Whenever
god,
you need to
free
cook
rice.
Guys, I'm
So-
so jealous of that because we don't have that in our
Definitely.
house. And here they provide you free rice and free kimchi, unlimited.
Yeah.
Whenever you want to, whenever like you run out of that.
It's like the guest house kind of.
Yeah.
And look
So
at that.
Yeah.
Here you can make your laundry.
Yeah.
So
It doesn't have a dryer, right? It's just
no, it's
No.
just a washing machine.
Yeah.
But I mean, a washing machine. We also have like here where you clean your dishes, and here where you can
course.
put them
And yeah, if you don't want to do your laundry here, you can also do it like
at the home laundry. Yeah, that we showed
like,
you.
yeah, just 1 minute away from you.
And that's the kitchen.
Okay, so that was the house tour. I think we've shown you every important aspect of the house, and we hope you also will find a way because of this video, because we showed the maps, and yeah, we hope you liked it, and we hope to see you soon as well in this house.
Yeah, we hope you live here. Like, experience life with us.
Coming soon, the next vlog Korea.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.